What should I drink now? Perhaps ambrosial yogurt, I guess.
Hi there. Did someone say ambrosial? Hello everyone. My name is Lokananda Priyasiva Guru. Would like to present on the product that we have chosen, which is the ambrosial yogurt. As for the project background, the project started on May 2021, which is a group project. So the project is called Ambrosial, the Greek style yogurt. It's a yogurt drink available in many flavors. The project was registered on Go E-commerce Malaysia, and the project has been marketed using various platforms such as social media, e-marketplace and website. Various online strategy marketing activities also been carried out to market this product, including promotional activities such as Facebook ads and TikTok. Ambrosial is basically from China. It is imported through the platform called Taobao, and we are reselling it in many social platforms such as Facebook and Instagram and also websites. So the reason we have choose Ambrosial because it is multi-flavored. It comes with multi-product packages, which in terms of bottled and also box, it has variety of choices. It has many flavors such as strawberry, blueberry, cheese, peas, mango, or even passion fruit. The second reason will be because it provide health food option, and also bring rich and creamy indulgence to the consumer's life, and also promote healthy lifestyle. This is said because the rich and creamy Greek style drinking yogurt has more protein compared to regular yogurt. Yes, it has more protein compared to regular yogurt, and is produced with a signature yogurt culture developed by the Agriculture University of Athens in Greece. So that's the why the word ambrosial is originated from the Greek word ambrosial, which means sweet, delicious, and fragrant. And the product is also made from fresh milk sourced from well chosen pastures. The product was also developed to meet evolving modern lifestyle as on the go indulgent, and to provide consumers with new drinking experience. Not only that, since the ambrosial's ultimate objective is sharing health with the world, so the group is it's keen to becoming the most trusted healthy group food provider in the world. The online marketing activities that has been implemented on Ambrosial was, we have created a Facebook page, we have created an Instagram page, and also a website place where all the major postings and videos done are being posted on Facebook, Instagram, and website acts as a tool where it has prices of ambrosial product and also the details of ambrosial product. We have also done several creative poster with nice copywriting, and we also have created a Shopee account because we want this embroil product. We want to expand this embroil zeal product to us community for us consumers, not only focusing on East Malaysia and West Malaysia, but Southeast Asia such as Singapore. And we also used a technique called mobilography, where we have shoot the product in 4 different types of angles, like 90 degrees, 75 degree, and also 45 degrees. And apart from that, we have also used TikTok to make videos to attract customers, because TikTok is one of the main platform where a lot of people connect, and videos are being shared widely in that platform. So through that, consumers will be able to follow up our Instagram on Facebook page. We also have created ICA model with our posting, where ICA model help us to um, extract out important points, so that will be attract customers to, and even to digest the fact easily. When in terms of purchasing, they don't have to have another second thought, since all the main point, the healthy points are being extracted out. And lastly, we have also used camera shooting, many types of techniques. One of that will be slow mo. So this slow mo helps us to show that this ambrosial yogurt is more rich in cream and tasty, because the slow mo is where we have recorded the technique of using it at the slow pace, so it actually makes customers attracted and mouth watering. As for the Ambrosial sales report, it can be seen that the sales on the month of April and May was 1127.33 cent and 720.04 cent. As for the total sales for both months is 1847.37 cent. As for the expenses on the month of April and May is 840.53 cent, 536.86 cent, and the total expenses involved in shipping and also delivery for both month is 1377.39 cent. By this we was able to generate a net profit of 469.98 cent within 2 months, and each of us got a sum of 76 ringgit per person. As for the achievement, we have successfully generated profit within 2 months compared to starting of March, where we didn't have any uh, selling going on. And we also carry out each task adhering to the objectivity of the project, where it results in the smoothness of in the flow of assignment, and the group dynamic also grown stronger. We also learned to use different apps to promote the product, and we also finished task on time. And strong customer bond also was created because through selling and purchasing, and also some customers even done the repetitive purchases. And the challenges that we have faced is pending orders due to the MCO, where most of the transaction has been done, but we couldn't deliver the product since the movement control order. And secondly, not familiar with the e-marketplace. We are not familiar with the e-marketplace because mostly most of the customer engagement postings done using the Facebook and Instagram. So when we created a Shopee account, we couldn't understand the terms and how to use it, but slowly we have learned, and that was the challenges that we have faced to create a Shopee account and to place our products on it. And we also have lack of capital to boost FB and Instagram ad because mainly it's done without involving cost. So if it would if it would have involved cost, means it would have been able to reach more customers. The task that I think I can do better if given more time is to explore e-marketplace more, because if I've given more time, I would have really invested myself to know all the terms, the techniques, how we can really expand this ambrosial product to customers in terms of their reviews and the ratings. And also secondly, the poster designing, I would have created more posters, but due to lack of time we just was able to create plain posters. And thirdly will be the video making based on market segmentation. We eventually initially we had planned that we want to make a video based on story and also based on adding funny elements, but we couldn't. We just, due to time constraint, we was only able to make short videos. And that one and when it comes to online marketing activities that I wish to implement, definitely will be to send mail using Mailchimp, because we have discovered this lately and we thought it is important for us to keep up with the loyal customers who make purchase repetitive purchase. So we thought of sending we thought of listing all the loyal customers and collecting all their mails and sending mails to their Gmail account or Yahoo account. By this we'll be engage them and they'll be able to know all the updates, all the discounts, all the products matters by this. And secondly will be gamification. A lot of people might think that it's to create games like Counter-Strike or PUBG, but it's not like that. Gamification can involve a short a quiz, or maybe using simple platforms such as Mentimeter or Kahoot. By this we'll be able to attract more teenage group members. So the market segmentation for gamification will be more teenage group members, so that they will be more health conscious and they will to purchase this product. It is definitely a yes, due to 4 reasons. I would like to continue this business in the future because the product is familiar to all the customers. Almost all the customers are familiar with what Ambrosial is and what it can do, and what are the benefits that they can get by drinking this. And secondly, the demand is there. As I said, within 2 months we was able to generate a profit of 469. So the demand is there. So as long as the demand is there, we will be able to have receive good profit. And the last one will be the target more consumers to be health conscious. Yes, apart from this, our business is to engage more to we are planning to widen the business to new consumers, new customers, and to target more consumers to be health conscious, most on the time of pandemic crisis. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.